In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in ClickUp. Changing your language is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account. And once you are in your account, go ahead and click on your profile icon on top here. And from this, choose settings. Now, if you go to settings, you'll get to my settings here, scroll down until you see language and region. Now you can see your current language will be here. For my case, it is English. To change it, just go ahead and click on it and then switch to any of these languages that are available. So currently we only have like 5 or 6 languages that you can interswitch your ClickUp account to. So once you have chosen your language, now go ahead and click on save changes and these will be captured across your ClickUp platform. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.